Now, let's now move on to Vue Devtools. Now, this is one of the most important tools for development. Apart from the Vue CLI, when you're developing Vue application, you would need certain tools to help you debug your project, or debug your work efficiently and faster. And so by using these Vue Devtools, you are going to, it will come in handy. So first of all, because I've installed the Vue Devtool, I have it here. So any Vue page that you open, this then becomes active. And so when I go here, this is not a Vue page, and so the Vue icon is not active. If it is active, it will be colored, so it is grayed out. And so because it's a Vue page, the extension, the Devtool has detected that this is a Vue page, and therefore it is active. So what then will I do? I'll be able to click here and then switch to Vue. But if you have opened your full browser, then you will see it there. And this Vue extension tool, this is what is going to help you. Okay, fine. Before we even continue, let me show you how you can download it for your browser. So if you go to the console, because we have turned on production mode, you will see you are running Vue in development mode. Make sure to turn in production mode when deploying for production. See more tips on. Okay, these are tips. And Vue Devtools. Yeah, it has detected. Okay, fine. What we can do is just simply type Vue Devtools, and then we wait to see what we're going to get. We open the browser. You are going to download an extension for your browser. So you have one for Chrome, and you have to open it. If you're using Chrome browser, you have to use Chrome to download it. If you're using Firefox, you have to open Firefox for it. But this is their GitHub repository. So when you go there, you'll be able to see the various ones. So this is what you can do here. They have the various links: get for Chrome extension, get the Firefox add-on, and get standalone. So I'm using Firefox. When I click on the add-on for Firefox, it takes me to the extension page where you'll see the Vue Devtool, and then you can add. You saw add before it became removed because I've already added. You are seeing removed. Then you can click on the add to add it to your page. And so when you do that, then you are going to, after adding it to your browser, close it and then relaunch your browser. And when you're done, you'll be able to open your page again, and then this time around you will see Vue, this extension here, tab, the Vue tab. When you select on the Vue tab, you see this is the app. So this is the root of the app, and then this is the template, the main one, which is the app. And when you open it, we have the tasks that we have opened. And so when you click on tasks, we can also expand it and see what is in there, which is the table pager. That's the component table pager that we use. So that is the hierarchy for your components. And so when I select the task, I'll be able to check things like the data property, the route, the task object. Here now the task object is empty. Remember the task object that we have here, one task. Then we have tasks, so we have 200. And so let's say that you open task, and then you see the various objects, and then you want to change the first one, the completed, or the first one. Let me go to the first one. Completed of the first one to, you want to mark it as complete. So as soon as you mark it as complete, you see the changes here. So when doing debugging, you'll be able to find out what is actually happening with your data and what is actually wrong, even by just examining the data here. And this is just the component part. So you'll be able to switch to, if you're using Vuejs, which we haven't gotten there, you'll be able to switch to the Vuejs tab to see the state of the Vuejs extracted the data and how the mutators, you're actually looking at it in real time, how you are changing the data in the Vuejs or the Vue store across your Vue component. And this one too is event, any event that is occurring. So, or any event that is being fired, you'll be able to monitor it under this tab, this little tab. So it comes in handy, especially mostly what you use most is just this part. Okay, you use it most, but you can go ahead and explore more about how to use the Vue Devtool, which really comes in handy. Alright, so that is just with the Vue Devtool.